How to fix 2-point campus crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click the game in your library, open up the properties window, go to installed files and hit the verify integrity of game files button and wait for this process to finish checking. It might take a while. Now once this is done, go back to the general tab and then under launch options type -dx11, or you can later try -d3d11 if the first command did not function properly. Now you can close out of this window, and then you will need to make sure that you have the latest GPU updates. So for NVIDIA, you will need NVIDIA app installed. Then go to the drivers section, and from here, download and install the latest game ready driver. You can also hit reinstall to perform a fresh reinstall of the driver if you have it already. And the last option is to disable overlays that might be interfering with the game. So turn off NVIDIA overlay, and then go to Steam, and then go to settings, in-game, and turn off Steam overlay as well, along with any other apps that might have overlays such as Discord. Go to game overlay and disable the overlay. And then you will need to restart your system by hitting the power button and then restart. And before opening the game again, you should run Steam as admin, right click and run as administrator. And then you should launch the 2-point campus game, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.